Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Miro with Claude. To get started, open Claude and go to the new chat page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main workspace. And from there, you can easily move into the settings area where connector options are available. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing. Next, look to the left side navigation panel and click on Customize. This section is where Claude lets you adjust different features and personalize how the platform works for you. If your screen looks slightly different, just focus on finding the area that contains settings related to customization. After that, click on Connectors. This is the section where you can link external tools and services so they can work alongside Claude. Connectors are useful because they allow Claude to interact with apps you already use, making your workflow more streamlined and efficient. Once you're in the Connectors area, move to the top right corner and click Add. This opens the option to bring in a new connector. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to fully load and then check the upper right area again. From there, click on Browse Connectors. This will open the connector library where you can search through available integrations. It's essentially the place where you can discover and select the service you want to connect. In the search field, type Miro. Entering the name directly helps narrow down the list so you can quickly find the correct integration without scrolling through all available options. Be sure the spelling is correct so the right result appears. When Miro shows up in the search results, click on it. This opens the connector details and takes you to the next stage of the setup. At this point, you're confirming that Miro is the tool you want to connect with Claude. Now click Connect. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. The exact prompts may vary depending on your account setup, but typically you'll be guided through authorization and permission steps. Read each screen carefully so you understand what access is being requested before moving forward. Once the process is complete, your Miro connector should be linked with Claude and ready to use. If the connection doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page or return to the connectors section to confirm it was added successfully. That's it for connecting Miro with Claude. Thanks for watching, and we hope this walkthrough made the setup process simple and clear.